Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your one-stop destination for the latest updates and insights from the dynamic world of WordPress. Whether you're a WordPress agency, developer, or simply an enthusiast, this podcast is designed to cater to your needs and keep you updated on all things WordPress. Today's episode is sponsored by Omnisend and the WP Job Openings plugin. Boost sales effortlessly with Omnisend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce. Let's dive right into the latest from the world of WordPress. Anticipation buzzes within the community as we edge closer to the launch of WordPress 6.6 on July 16th, 2024. With a slightly shorter cycle, this release heavily builds on the foundation of the last with some new items. The biggest news is that the minimum supported version of PHP will now be 7.2.24, so if you're running an older version, it's time to update. WordPress 6.5.3 RC1 is now available. It features 11 fixes in core as well as 8 fixes for the block editor. The final release is expected later today. It will include a new dashboard notice advising people to refresh after activating a free plugin. This will help with the problem of setup wizards no longer being triggered on activation. Data liberation sounds dramatic, right? But it's a critical project for WordPress, aiming to allow users to migrate to and from WordPress with ease. The team behind it has been collecting feedback from the community to ensure they're addressing the most important needs. Expect a prototype by early June, with final delivery by November 2024. The project will likely result in a plugin that makes data migration seamless. This is a game changer for anyone looking to move to WordPress from another platform or export content. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, Google has stepped up its game once more with the introduction of Performance Max for marketplaces. This groundbreaking ad product allows sellers to tap into Google's extensive advertising network without the need for their own websites or Google Merchant Center accounts. By recognizing the dominance of online marketplaces like Amazon in the realm of product discovery, Google is opening doors for sellers who wish to reach a wide audience, making it more compelling than ever to market on marketplaces. Adding to that, Google has made a decisive move to protect the integrity of its search results with a new spam policy aimed at combating reputation abuse. Starting on May 6th, this policy targets what those in the SEO community refer to as parasite SEO. Many sites from across the web took down web pages that could be perceived as hosting third-party content to rank in search engines. Google's search advocate, John Mueller, recently addressed concerns from the SEO community about how to recover if impacted by algorithm updates. If you're an SEO expert or website owner, it's time to reassess your content strategy to ensure you're not inadvertently violating Google's policies. Microsoft continues to integrate AI into its products, with Copilot now available for all advertisers on the Microsoft advertising platform. This comes just a month after Microsoft expanded its testing pool. If you're an advertiser, this could be a great tool to streamline your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Now, a quick word of caution for WordPress users. The Yoast SEO plugin had a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability recently. This could have allowed an attacker to craft a request with malicious JavaScript. Fortunately, it's been patched. But if you're using this plugin, make sure you're running the latest version. In a significant shift within the creative stock marketplace, Shutterstock has announced it will acquire Envato for a staggering $245 million in an all-cash transaction. This acquisition is a bold move that marks the end of an era for Envato as an independent entity. What's being carefully watched by both users and industry experts alike are the potential implications of this deal, specifically how it might influence the leadership structure, the core priorities of the company, and the levels of support available to the wide community of code-based creators. On the heels of this major announcement, WP Beginner Growth Fund, helmed by Syed Balki, is expanding with Access Alley joining its portfolio. This partnership promises to retain Access Alley's brand and operational independence while seemingly benefiting from the robust support infrastructure of the WP Beginner ecosystem. Two popular WordPress websites, WP Shout and Cody and WP, have merged under the WP Shout brand. This unification brings together two rich databases, resulting in over 1,400 published articles focused on WordPress development and website growth. OpenAI and Stack Overflow are coming together via Overflow API access to provide OpenAI users and customers with the accurate and vetted data foundation that AI tools need to quickly find a solution to a problem so that technologists can stay focused on priority tasks. WordPress.com is taking a big step into AI with Big Sky, an AI-powered website builder for WordPress. If you're interested in trying out the latest technology, now's your chance. WordPress.com is inviting early testers to join and share their feedback. DWPMU Dev has rolled out 3 new premium support services: proactive monitoring, site speed optimization, and malware removal. These services are designed for agencies and under-resourced web developers who want to automate their WordPress management processes. If you're an Elementor user, you'll be thrilled to know that AI Copilot has officially been released. This AI-powered assistant helps with various website building tasks, offering suggestions for layouts, wireframes, containers, and even elements within those containers. For those of you who manage your online presence on WordPress.com and are keen on typography, you'll rejoice to hear about the new font library. Available to those with creator or entrepreneur plans, this library simplifies the management of your site's typography, all from a single location. Shifting gears to mobile, Jetpack has introduced a feature allowing users to upload images directly from their phones. Simply scan a QR code with your mobile device and watch as the photos automatically populate in the editor on your computer. This seamless integration bridges the gap between mobile and desktop, making content creation more fluid than ever. On a celebratory note, TasteWP has marked an impressive milestone of hosting 1 million sites. To commemorate this achievement, they are offering a 30% discount on all premium plans. This is a great opportunity for users to upgrade their services at a more affordable rate. Team WP is rebranding to Future of Team, and with it comes some exciting changes. Remkus de Vries has joined as the new co-founder, and they're launching a new podcast with co-hosts James Giroux and Dee Teal. They're also expanding their services to focus on people operations. Solid WP is celebrating World Password Day with a fun meme contest. If you think you've got what it takes to create a hilarious meme related to passwords, cybersecurity, or online security, this contest is for you. Just post your meme on social media and tag Solid WP before May 8th for a chance to win. Birgit Olsum is crowdfunding her travel-related expenses for WordCamp Europe, WCEU. She will lead the Diversity, Equity, Inclusion, and Belonging table at Contributor Day and advocate for companies in the WordPress ecosystem to extend travel funds to active contributors, not just speakers. If you'd like to support Birgit, be sure to check out her crowdfunding campaign and lend a hand. That's a wrap for today's episode of the WP Week podcast, sponsored by Omnisend and the reliable WP Job Openings plugin. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. We'll be back next week with more exciting updates from the world of WordPress. Until then, happy coding and stay connected.